Today we're talking about 5 passive income ideas to make money from home. These are truly passive income ideas to make money while you sleep. Find out my favorite one later on in this video. Hi everyone, I'm Jessica, and I talk about financial freedom after experiencing burnout early on in my pharmacist career. On the channel, we talk about passive income and simplifying to combat feelings of burnout and stress in your life. I've also shared openly about my burnout story and how we went debt-free during residency. Make sure to watch those videos as well. The number one way to make passive income is with your investment accounts. Your investment accounts include several different ones, so let me outline some of the ones that you may be familiar with. There's lots of acronyms. Your 401k, your Roth 401k, your solo 401k, your Roth IRA, your traditional IRA, your simple IRA, your STEP IRA, your 457, your 403b, your HSA, health savings account, your custodial account, your brokerage account, your 529. So those are all considered investment accounts. When I talk about passive income into an investment account, I mean dividend yields or employer match into your retirement account. Let's start with an employer match. Maybe your employer matches 2%, 3%, 4%, maybe even higher, 5, 10% into your retirement account. Anytime we are leaving our employer match and not taking it, we are leaving money on the table, and it is basically free money to us. It's part of our compensation package. We want to at least be taking the employer match. So let's say the employer match is 3%. So that means we need to contribute 3% of our income into our retirement account, and then our employer will match that 3%. I've had employer matches where it's 2%, then it's 3%, then it's 4%, and even up to 14%. And we always want to take the employer match no matter what percentage it is. It is literally free money, and it would be like shredding our cash if we don't take it. Next up is our dividend yields, and you might not be familiar with this, but usually if you are investing in certain types of stocks or index funds, then there is a potential dividend that they pay out either monthly, quarterly, biannually, or annually. And a lot of my index funds do have this dividend. It is a certain percentage each year, and some of mine are quarterly, some of them are biannual, and some of them are annual. And this is technically passive income. We are investing into this certain type of portfolio by buying shares in it, and then they are giving us a dividend yield from it at a certain time point during the year. And we can either take this as passive income, we can withdraw the dividend and use it as our income if we have no other sources of income, or we can reinvest the dividend. So because I have other sources of income, I do reinvest all my dividends, so then it rebuys the same portfolio. Typically that's an index fund or an ETF for myself, and it'll automatically rebuy once that dividend is given out. And this is a part of your passive income. This is something you can track. And if you want to live off your dividend income in the future on your FIRE movement, that is possible, and some people have done that. Dividends are paid out in different types of accounts, both your tax advantage investment accounts and your taxable accounts. And I have them in both accounts, and then I can track them over time. The second way to make passive income is with a high yield savings account. And if you've never heard of a high yield savings account, it's definitely something that I highly encourage looking into. I had no idea these existed until I was in my 20s, and I had been saving money for a while. And typically we save money, either in cash or in a traditional checking account, or maybe even a traditional savings account. And those get really low interest rates, at the 0.01% rate. Typically, your high yield savings accounts are through online platforms, and they're a little bit different than your traditional savings accounts because you don't usually go to an ATM and withdraw cash from them. They usually have a restricted amount of times you can withdraw money from them. So usually you have a long-term goal related to them where you kind of park your money in one of these accounts. And maybe you're parking your emergency fund in this account. Maybe you're parking your future car purchase in this account. Maybe you're parking money that you plan to use for a house down payment in the next 5 years into one of these accounts. And some of the online platforms you've probably heard of are American Express, Capital One, HM Bradley, Ally, different types of ones. And I've used different ones over the years. And typically, they range between that 0.4, 0.5% interest rate up to 3% interest. And the one that I'm currently using both has that 0.4% and that 3% interest rate. rate. So if you want a referral into the one that has 3%, it will be linked below in this video. The way that this is passive income is because by, using one of these accounts and parking your money there for long-term goals or for emergencies, you're gaining interest on the money. And, that interest is subject to income tax, but you are making money on your money while you sleep. And this is great, especially if you have a large amount for a future house down payment or something else, or you have a really large emergency fund. You want to be making some passive income off of it. An example of how significant this could be is, let's say you have an emergency fund of $10,000, or let's say you have a house down payment fund of $100,000. If you're making 0.4% or you're making 3% on each of these, here's the number breakdown of how much you're making per year by at least having it in a high yield savings account versus having it in a traditional savings or checking account. The numbers are significant, and adding a couple $1,000s in passive income is great to your bottom line. The third way to make passive income while working from home are digital products. And digital products can be simple or more complicated. And typically they could be a one-page PDF file or a short ebook or your own book that you're self-publishing. And it's really a way that you can reach beyond your local community and share your skill set with other people around the world. Sharing a digital product could mean that you post it on your own webpage or on Etsy or Amazon Books or a teaching platform like Teachable. I post my digital products both on my own website and on the Teachable platform. And there are a variety of different resources, whether they are a simple download to learn about pharmacy studying resources on my Find Your Script shop, or it's more of a workshop format of how to bash burnout and the myths behind it, or a digital decluttering workshop so you can take it at your own pace. And digital products are great because you put in a lot of time and effort up front to create the product or the workshop, and then you're able to sell it multiple times over the next months to years. And maybe you update it twice a year or once a year as information changes on it. This is great because you can share your skill set with people around the world, whether that is an Excel template to track your finances or wall decor or something else that is a digital product that can be downloaded and used by the purchaser. Digital products are a great way to get started with passive income because there's a smaller level entry into these, and you can wake up and have made money while you slept. And this could be anywhere between adding an additional $50 or $100 per month to your bottom line, or it could be $1,000 to $10,000 to your bottom line. It really depends on what the product is, what the price is, and how many people are interested around the world to purchase and use it from you. You can get all of our digital products and workshops linked below as well. The fourth way to make passive income from home is to create an online course. And this is taking the digital product and going a little bit deeper into the information, diving deeper, having more thorough and detailed work behind it potentially. So you might be able to sell at a smaller price point a digital product, and then if someone wants to dive a little bit deeper, there's a little bit higher price point for a full online course. This is something that you could create once and sell throughout the year and maybe update a couple times a year or once a year. It's something that I've done in the past where I've created the Simplify course and I've created the Joy at Work course, and you can purchase them and go through them at your own pace. The fifth way to earn passive income from home is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when someone earns a small commission after clicking a link in their post. And typically this means that the affiliate is recommending a product or service because they truly believe in it. They're writing an article, reviewing it, sharing photos or videos of it. And by doing that work and sharing their personal opinion, they're going to earn a small commission when someone clicks through their affiliate link and purchases from that link. And typically that small commission is, 1%, 5%, 10%, maybe even up to 20% of the purchase. And this can be a great way if you truly believe in the product and share it with friends, family, or community on your blog or your YouTube channel. I know that I am a part of a lot of different affiliate programs. One of the common ones you probably see is the Amazon affiliate program, and it's where you can share products that you use and you recommend. And then if someone clicks on that link, you earn a very small commission for referring the product. Affiliate marketing is a great tool if you already use the product and would like to recommend it to other people and share the joy of using that product. And I highly encourage you to consider it if you are someone that loves a product and really encourages some intentional shopping habits around it, so it doesn't sound salesy when you're recommending a product. Those are 5 ways to earn passive income. Now, what is my favorite way to earn passive income in my own life? My favorite way to earn passive income is dividend yields in my investment accounts, both my taxable accounts and my tax deferred, tax advantaged accounts. And I love this way because it's something that I didn't know about a lot back in my 20s, and now it's something that I do track on my Finance Cable Method tracker so that I'm making money while I sleep. And I also engage in the other 4 ways to make passive income as well within my personal life and within my businesses. Are you using any of these passive income ideas in your own life? Please comment below and make sure you share this video with someone who is interested in learning about passive income and earning money while they sleep. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel where we share more financial freedom, resources, and information. Until next time, cultivate joy, my friends.